So when we talk about psychosomatic, it's usually that there is no pathology. So when we talk about, an underlying pathology, it usually means that someone has an illness, or that there is something wrong with them. So where someone has, a challenge of some kind, but there's no underlying pathology, that's very often a psychosomatic disorder of some kind. They're just as valid. So part of our aim at certain times within this course is going to be to de-pathologise. Okay, so excuse the long words here, but when we talk about seeking to de-pathologise, what we're seeking to do is make that person feel capable. That is, a lot of people come to mental health professionals believing that they are afflicted in some way. That it's incurable, for example, or that there's something wrong with them. So they often believe that there is pathology behind their mental health challenges. And very often, a large part of what we will seek to do as hypnotherapists, which is part of the many of the different approaches to hypnotherapy, is quite fundamental to some of the approaches to hypnotherapy, is to equip that person with psychological skills and belief that they're capable of overcoming this. And very often that means to de-pathologise. With regards to how we go about doing things, letting them know that they're capable, that they're not afflicted, that they're not broken, and so on.